Match number 89 in 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
First ones to strike, that's Milwaukee United, but the Knack are back. They've got more notes for that Red Alliance. Blue, not to be outdone though, the Hex Hounds going back to the middle for some of those contested notes. They've got a second one in tow. They're looking to make their third shot of Autonomous. Unfortunately, just a tad low, and Red Alliance coming out with the advantage, 31-14. Drivers are at the controls, and Bond Brigade's using them to toss a note into their amp. Let's see if they can get it. Potentially some struggles there, but now they're lined up looking to launch that one in there. Their partners, the Bot Dogs, in the meantime, launching into their Alliance's speaker alongside the Hex Hounds. Over on red, we see Arsenal of Engineering. That's the #1 ranked team. Slide a note on into their speaker, and they're cruising across the field to grab another one from their source. Trading places with their partners, Milwaukee United, who is attempting to grab a note. There we go, they got it. It's squished in their robot, and they're going to score it on the speaker. Up and in for Milwaukee United, as now they decide to play some defense on the Hex Hounds. Unfortunately, it looks like they may be in there having some struggles themselves, but undissuaded, they are back at their source zone with their partners. Arsenal of Engineering facing some defense from the Bond Brigade. Having some trouble with that actuator, they're opting to stop the Red Alliance from scoring. Team 95-35, the Knack, they're back at it with a note in tow, and they're going to score on the Red Alliance's speaker, which is currently amplified. That amplification just now ending. They'll need to score 2 more notes to get it back. However, we see that the Blue Alliance has opted not to go for that cooperation bonus, and the ranking point threshold remains at 18. Red is firmly on their way to getting there with 14 of 18 notes. Blue a little farther away, but still has the opportunity here. 8 of 18. Hex Hounds are going in for more, along with the Bot Dogs. All the dogs are on the field over for Blue as we hit the 40-second mark of this match. Team 3197, they're getting chased down by Milwaukee United, that tiny bot that could. Unfortunately missing their note, and now going to re-grab it. Another attempt up there, and second time, not quite the charm, maybe the third. They're moving out of the way for their partner, the Knack, having the same problem, unfortunately. But for Blue, that's giving them the opportunity to catch back up, as we hear the stages are now protected. Arsenal of Engineering, they are going back to their stage, attempting a climb themselves, maybe moving out of the way for the Knack. Those high notes are coming out. We see one sitting on top, but not scored for the Blue Alliance. The Knack is up, Arsenal's up, Bot Dogs appear to be up, and the Hex Hounds unfortunately not quite able to do so as the buzzer sounds. Now on top, 77 to the Blue Alliance's 40. We do see that Arsenal Engineering after that match have retained their #1 ranked position, having earned 3 rank points in that match.